Hi, Derek of VW Crystal Lake here today. Just want to show you a couple features that even I as a salesman forget we have, and most Volkswagen owners aren't even aware that is available as well. First one is what's considered service mode for our windshield wiper blades. So what we do is when you shut the vehicle off, it's very simple. Just grab the toggle, push down, wiper blades automatically pop up. So I'm actually going to combo two features in one on this video. So let's say you jump out of your car and you're in a hurry and forgot to roll your windows up. Lock your car, keep your finger on hold. Windows and the sunroof will all close as well. Then obviously you still have to come around, pull your wiper blades for the snow. So obviously we're back in the car, brought the windshield wipers back down. Once you start the car, literally just touch back. Windshields are back down and you're ready to go. It's that simple. Well, thank you for giving me a little bit of your time. Happy to show you a couple of the cool features. There's a lot more to Volkswagen than just that, so come see us at VW of Crystal Lake. My name is Derek.